Okay, today marks the exciting day of 2019. Worship with the widows 2019. Jack, it's a privilege meeting you once again. I'm here to bring you the inside and the outside of the program. So stay tuned, don't go nowhere. I'm getting right inside to bring you the gist about the program. I'm called Original Papa. Stay tuned. There is the classic and supernatural anointed mama, Odehye3ba Priscilla. Madam, you are welcome.
Thank you.
What brought you here for the first?
It's all about worship with the widows.
Okay. What excites you to be part of this program?
In the Bible, it says that we should help the needy and then show sympathy to them. So I'm here to show my sympathy to the widows.
Did you charge them before coming?
No, please.
What pushed you before you didn't charge them anything?
No, the program is my father's program. My father organized the program, so I'm here free. I don't charge before going for programs.
Oh, really?
Yes, please.
So how do you get money in the industry?
Oh, I get money by God's grace.
I don't understand. Explain little, because my viewers out there want to know the kind of pains you go through, because you don't charge. And I know going to a program, you have your team, you have cars, fuel, and other stuff. So why don't you charge before?
I said by God's grace. Yes, I'll not charge.
So anything from my height, I give you, you will take.
Yes.
Okay, so tell my fans something and your fans on this good platform.
God bless you for giving me this opportunity. God bless you.
They want to feel the voice of you, so give something small. I hope today you perform.
Yes.
So do something here.
Bonnie, I'm in pair, and on me, Papa, me come. Go and watch it on YouTube.
Oh, okay, that's Odehye3ba Priscilla. Stay tuned, there are more things for you.
You